So it wasn't exactly a birthday present to myself. It just was right around my birthday. I just turned 27. But I've always loved trucks, and I've always loved racing. So off-road racing has just fit perfectly, and it's been a blast. I bring a character to it, and I think there's a lot more to just getting a fast lap time. You have to please the crowd, and that's what it's all about. It's just having a blast and a fun time. I can't believe anyone didn't seek to, win the crowd other than just a fast lap time. I brought this Yetti character, and ever since I first started with this truck at my house, practicing, spinning laps, I envisioned myself this day in front of a crowd, and I knew, what can I bring to this truck as far as a character goes? And from day one, the very first time I got in this rig, couldn't find my gloves, so all I had were these monster gloves. It was raining outside, no windshield, so I had to wear gloves. So I knew, I was like right then and there, this is it. Whenever you drive my truck, you have to be in costume, period. And then I just snowballed it from there, trying to have a fun time. Catching major air like that was an absolute blast, and I will continue to just seek adrenaline and fun and fulfillment through the crowd and the people I love. That's important.
Woo! Yeah! You okay? I'm great, dude! That was badass! Just trip me up! That was good. I'm awesome! Ha ha! Go! Yeah! Go! You alright? I'm doing great, dude! Alright! Woo! I still gotta hit the last one if it'll start again, right?
No, once the tractor comes, you go home, bro.
Just hit me up.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah!
Stuck in your cage still.
Hey, did I catch more than 5 feet of air?
You got there. I don't take the GoPro with Yeah, you didn't crush the camera, so we're good. Now you're going over.
Yeah!
He just had a rock hit in there.
Yeah! Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, woo!
So now we're to the part of the movie, the camera that didn't upload the audio correctly. But as you can see, it's not quite as intense as the onboard cameras. That's just because you don't get to see what the driver's going through and the point of view that he's seeing, the adrenaline, the speeds, the angles, the velocity, the torsion put on you by these jumps, and the sound by the engine. It's just absolutely so intense and so much fun. Even though it's for only 30 seconds of race time compared to the hours we spent building this rig, I gotta give it out to Creekside Auto Restorations. Those 3 guys down there at that shop really helped me out immensely, and I think I found a new love. Hopefully these guys are also just going to be fully supporting me through and through all my racing. Thanks a lot.